Good morning, hello, and welcome from TTC Rajshahi. Are you age 20 to 40? Are you adult from Bangladesh? Are you a unemployed person? Also welcome in here in TTC Rajshahi because can you skill development in your life? Here is academic youth, academic institute. Here is speaking institute. Here is car institute. And if you want your lives to be success in your whole life, you can learning here every technology. That's mean TTC, Technical Training Center, and you go in your life for better life. So till then, Allah Hafiz.